Hi children, English language, Form 2, Grammar, Simple Sentences. SOW reference, first midterm, Grammar to 14. Pages 50 and 51. These are the lesson objectives, children. At the end of the lesson, children will be able to understand about 4 types of simple sentences. Answer the questions in the text in page number 51. Simple sentences, page number 50. What is a simple sentence? A sentence consisting of only one clause with a single subject and predicate is called a simple sentence. Examples: she opened the door. I go to the canteen. In this sentence, children, she opened the door. There is a subject, verb and the object. The second one also, I go to the canteen. I go to the canteen. In this sentence, children, you can see one idea is expressed, or one statement is made, or one question is asked, or one instruction is given. So also there is one verb with a subject, or there is one main clause only. In these types of sentences, we called simple sentences. Not only that, children, there are various different types of sentences. Being able to recognize these sentence types of sentences should help you in your own writing. Let's move on to the next slide, children. Let's look at the basic types of simple sentences. There are 4 types of simple sentences, children. In the first type, they were excited about going fishing. The weather had been awful last time. However, the sun was out today. They were up very early. So you can see several verbs there. Were excited, had been awful, was and were. So this type of sentence, children, there are many verbs to be as its verb as there is a subject. Here are 4 sentences about fishing. By observing these 4 sentences, you can have a clear understanding about some types of simple sentences. In simple sentences, you can use several verbs, children. Type 2, intransitive verb sentences. Let's read the sentence. The lion roared loudly. The birds flew off. The wild beast went on the alert. The bush reverberated with the noise. So there are also 4 verbs. Roared, flew, went, reverberated. In these types of sentence also simple sentences. In the third sentence, children, transitive verb sentences. Let's read the sentence. The band sang their hit song enthusiastically. The fans cheered every line. They applauded them. At the end, the band acknowledged this tribute to their talent. So you can see 4 verbs there. Sang, cheered, applauded and acknowledged. This type of a sentence also one basic type of simple sentence. Type 4, children. He appears to be quite well. He also seems in good spirits. He certainly feels optimistic. Things look good for him. He is becoming enthusiastic again. So they are little complicated with you, I'm sure. But when you are studying verbs appears, seems, feels, look, is becoming, these are some verbs, children. But no worry, this is a simple sentence. Let's move on to the next slide, children. Okay, children. In page number 51, you have an activity. Starting point. Fill in the gaps in the following simple sentences with one of these verbs. You can see some verbs are there. Ran, fired, shouted, seemed, crossed, delighted, became. So you have to put the appropriate one to the blank. What is the first one? The winner blank the finishing line. So what is the correct answer, children? The winner crossed. The winner crossed the finishing line. What is the second one, children? Her tennis coach blank to be very pleased with her. The tennis coach blank to be very pleased with her. What is the correct answer, children? Her tennis coach seemed to be very pleased with her. Before also we have discussed this one already. Seem can be taken as a verb. The tennis coach seemed to be very pleased with her. C1. The starter blank the starting pistol. What is the answer for that, children? The starter fired the starting pistol. D1. The commentator blank into the microphone. E1. I was blank with the result. F1. They blank tired very rapidly. G1. The runners blank down the main street. Likewise, children, I am not going to tell the answers for the all. You have to find it by observing the lesson very well. So let's move on to the next slide, children. Going further. In going further, children, you have to read the following sentences and decide which type of simple sentence each belong to. 1, 2, 3 or 4. See basic types of simple sentences on page number 50. So we have already discussed types of simple sentences. By observing these, children, you can see, you have to say what type of a simple sentence is that. The first one, the seagulls quacked annoyingly. The audience were completely spellbound. There seems to be no case to answer. The decorator painted the kitchen. She seems to be quite calm about the whole thing. The athlete trained rigorously for the event. The teacher pressed the bell. Can you say what type of a simple sentence is the first one? The seagulls quacked annoyingly. 1, 2, 3 or 4. It's up to the answer is 2, children. Second one, the answer is 1, children. So observing the basic types of simple sentences, you can say whether it is number 1, number 2, number 3 or number 4, children. Let's move on to the next slide. Thank you, children. I think you have enjoyed my lesson, Simple Sentences. By observing very well page number 50, children, you can do your activities. Starting point, going further and further still. Have a nice day. Bye.